Hey my friends, it's Alecia String here, always empowering success dreams, and today I want to share with you an overview of the top producing formula.
It's a special day because of you. You did your thing, now you made it through.
So the first thing I want you to do is write this down. Get a piece of paper, pen and paper, and save this date of August the 23rd. It's a Saturday. Yes, you're going to have to look at your calendar and save this date. So when you save this date, you know something's happening live. Something that's going to happen that's from the top producing formula is going to be swept away if you don't save that date. Go right now and save that date, and I'll send you another video on the chalkboard or something to show you what's so powerful inside of that date. I'll see you then. Bye guys.
Graduate on the dance floor. No cap and gown, we gonna give you more. Let's get the party jumping. It's time to shut it down. Let's tell the DJ to play the music loud.
Spaced Out, Impact, Seattle.
This is your graduation on the dance floor. You know you need to work it just a little more. You got to move your body until your feet get sore. Now that's the way you do it to get the highest score. Let's get the party jumping. It's time to shut it down. Let's tell the